Hey there, my name's Kathy Barker from Software Solutions, and I want to show you how you turn on the Power Pivot option within Excel. As you can see, I've simply opened Excel and I have a new workbook open. To turn on the Power Pivot option, I go to File in the ribbon, I choose Options in the bottom left, and I choose Add-ins on the left-hand side. Here's a Manage drop-down. If I click the Manage drop-down and I choose COM Add-ins, and then click the Go button, I can see some options I can tick and untick. What I'd like to do is tick the Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel option, and I'll click OK. By doing that, I now have an extra tab in my ribbon called Power Pivot. If I now want to go into the Power Pivot Manager, I simply click this Manage button. And here is my Power Pivot editor. If I want to return to Excel, I've got a Switch to Excel Workbook button up the top here. So I just click this button and I switch back to Excel. Another way to get to the Power Pivot editor besides using this Manage button is to go to Data in the ribbon. You have a group here called Data Tools, and there's a button here called Go to the Power Pivot window. If I click that, I'm also taken to the Power Pivot editor. And I'll switch back to the Excel workbook by clicking this button. So that's how you enable the Power Pivot add-in, and that's also how you switch back and forward between Power Pivot and Excel.